There are a lot products available to decide upon best Christmas earrings, every different with different characteristics, amazing benefits, and prices. To help you create an informed decision, I did so extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled here are the best Christmas earrings from reputable labels. After much research, I recently came across these products, much of great help for people like you. Should you wish to know about the price and various other information, be sure to my description. So without the need for further delay.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Number 1 S925 Sterling Silver Heart Dangle Drop Stud Earrings for Women Girl. Exquisite S925 Sterling Silver Heart Dangle Drop Stud Earrings for Women Girl. A perfect blend of elegance and charm. Crafted with precision and care, these stunning earrings are designed to add a touch of sophistication to any occasion. Made from high-quality S925 Sterling Silver, these earrings boast a brilliant shine that captures the light beautifully. The heart-shaped dangle drop design adds a romantic and timeless element to the piece, making it an ideal accessory for women and girls alike. The stud earrings are not only a symbol of style, but also a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into creating each pair. The secure and comfortable stud closure ensures a snug fit, allowing you to wear them all day with ease. Whether you're dressing up for a special event or looking to elevate your everyday style, these earrings are the perfect choice. Their versatile design allows them to seamlessly complement both casual and formal outfits, making them a must-have addition to your jewelry collection. Gift these elegant earrings to a loved one or treat yourself to a touch of luxury. With their timeless appeal and durable construction, these S925
make a statement.
Number 2. Handmade recycled vintage mason jar in sterling silver vintage lace lever back ear. The unique charm of our handmade recycled vintage mason jar and sterling silver vintage lace lever back earrings. Crafted with a blend of creativity and sustainability, these earrings are a testament to the beauty of repurposed materials. The focal point of these earrings is the recycled vintage mason jar pieces, each carefully handcrafted to bring a touch of history and character to your jewelry collection. The mason jar fragments are skillfully repurposed, transforming them into exquisite, one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces that tell a story of the past. The addition of sterling silver vintage lace leverbacks adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. The intricate lace pattern beautifully complements the rustic charm of the mason jar elements, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. Not only do these earrings make a stylish statement, but they also carry a sense of environmental responsibility. Embrace the beauty of sustainability as you adorn yourself with these eco-friendly, handmade earrings. The lever-back design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to showcase these unique earrings with confidence. Whether you're a lover of vintage aesthetics or simply appreciate the artistry of handmade jewelry, these earrings are a perfect choice for adding a distinctive flair to your look. Elevate your style with the handmade recycled vintage mason jar and sterling silver vintage lace leverback earrings, a fusion of history, craftsmanship, and sustainability that sets you apart in the world of fashion. Number 3. Christmas earrings for women. Christmas stud earrings. Celebrate the joy of the season with our enchanting Christmas earrings for women. Adorn your ears with festive flair using our collection of Christmas-themed stud earrings, featuring charming Christmas trees, delicate bells, and intricate snowflakes, perfect for spreading holiday cheer. These earrings are not only a delightful accessory, but also make for thoughtful Thanksgiving and Christmas holiday gifts for teen girls. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, each pair of earrings captures the essence of the holiday spirit. The Christmas tree earrings add a touch of evergreen elegance, while the whimsical bell earrings jingle with merriment. The delicate snowflakes bring a touch of winter wonder to your festive ensemble. Made with quality materials, these earrings are designed to be both eye-catching and comfortable. The stud style ensures a secure fit, allowing you to showcase your holiday spirit with confidence throughout the season's festivities. These Christmas earrings are not just accessories, they're a reflection of the warmth and joy that the holiday season brings. Whether you're dressing up for a holiday party or looking for the perfect gift, these earrings are a wonderful way to share the magic of Christmas with the special women and teen girls in your life. Spread the holiday cheer and make a statement with our Christmas earrings for women, a festive addition to your jewelry collection. that embodies the spirit of Thanksgiving and Christmas. Elevate your seasonal style and share the
Statement. Gonna learn the concept.
Number 4. Christmas earrings for women. Christmas jewelry.
I'm not here to say that.
Elevate your holiday style with our enchanting Christmas earrings for women. This festive jewelry collection is the perfect way to embrace the spirit of the season and make a statement at every holiday gathering. Ideal as Christmas gifts for teen girls or as a trendy addition to your own collection. These earrings feature the latest holiday trends, including bows, Christmas trees, and delicate snowflakes. Dress up your ears with the whimsical charm of bow-adorned earrings, adding a touch of elegance to your festive look. The Christmas tree earrings bring a classic symbol of the season to life, while the intricate snowflakes add a touch of winter magic to your ensemble. Crafted with attention to detail and quality materials, these earrings are designed to capture the essence of the holidays, while ensuring comfort and durability. The stud style makes them easy to wear, allowing you to showcase your holiday spirit with confidence. Searching for the perfect Christmas gift for a teen girl or a loved one? Look no further. Our Christmas earrings are not just accessories, they're a thoughtful expression of holiday joy. Give the gift of festive style with these trending holiday earrings that are sure to become a cherished part of their jewelry collection. Embrace the magic of the season and stay on trend with our Christmas earrings for women. Make a statement with the perfect holiday accessory and let your style shine this Christmas gift 2023.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
Number 5. Christmas earrings for women. Christmas stud earrings. Celebrate the magic of the season with our enchanting Christmas earrings for women. Adorn your ears with festive delight using our collection of Christmas-themed stud earrings, featuring charming Christmas trees, delightful bells, and intricate snowflakes. These earrings are not just accessories, they are the perfect Thanksgiving, Christmas, and holiday jewelry gifts for teen girls. Each pair of earrings is meticulously crafted to capture the essence of the holiday spirit. The Christmas tree earrings bring a touch of evergreen elegance, while the whimsical bell earrings jingle with merriment. Delicate snowflakes add a hint of winter wonder to your festive ensemble, making these earrings a versatile and delightful addition to your holiday wardrobe. Designed for both style and comfort, these earrings boast a secure stud closure, ensuring you can showcase your holiday spirit with confidence throughout the Thanksgiving and Christmas festivities. Whether you're attending a holiday party or looking for that perfect gift, these earrings are a wonderful way to share the joy of the season with the special women and teen girls in your life. Spread the holiday cheer and make a statement with our Christmas earrings for women, the ideal accessories for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and beyond. Elevate your seasonal style and share the joy with these delightful earrings.
Hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I've got no.
Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.